there, all my colossum possum furries. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with us today. So today I just wanted to show you my super, for me this is like a casual Gyaru look. It took me maybe 45 minutes or so to get ready compared to like a whole 2 or 2.5 hours if I'm doing like a full perfect on point like gal make. But I'll show you what I'm wearing. I've got this really cute sort of zipper top, and I've got my little skirt, and then of course my leg warmers as well. So today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul video of, I think I have 5 or 6 different pairs of contact lenses from Pinky Paradise. So I'm going to show you how they look on my eyes like up close, but then in different lightings as well. Because I feel like that would help a lot of people. And that's honestly one of my best rated videos on my channel so far. My old Pinky Paradise contact lens haul. So I just wanted to show everyone my new contact lenses. But yeah, to start off, I just wanted to say today I actually just had a meet with my new Gyaru circle. We're called Cocohari. So we have got Nana, Yuna, Ari, myself, Bonnie, and Angel. So we are a gal group based online. So our group, Cocohari Tribe, we have 6 members, and we have a few members in Australia as well as in America. But yeah, we just decided we would start a gal group for Gyaru who may not have a group already and maybe a little bit shy or anxious when it comes to like meeting people in person and stuff like that. And what we do, we are gonna have different like little themes. Like right now we've actually got going for the month of April, we're doing little photo sets of our favorite, each member's favorite magazine cover. I've got a really good one planned, so if you want to see the cover that I pick, sneak peek, I'll put it on the screen somewhere, my all-time favorite magazine cover. I'm gonna try my best to recreate this makeup look that the beautiful Cotton has. And then what we want to do is our gal group will host different like Zoom calls to just sort of catch up with each other and hang out and talk about gal stuff, which is super fun because I've been in the Gyaru community for over 10 years and I haven't really ever had that before, and I think it's awesome and a new experience for all of us. But yeah, so now we will get into the contact lenses. So these have probably been my favorite pair that I've been wearing nearly, well, not nearly every day. I've been wearing them every day. These are the EOS Ice Gray. So in my last video that I did, you would have seen, I think I tried on the pink all-time favorite lenses. These are my new fave. But I think I also have green, which I used for my Riku cosplay. And then in this video, I believe I've got a blue or a purple. I think it's blue. I haven't tried all these lenses on yet, so for some of these, it'll be my first time trying them in my eye. These are the only pairs, well, this is the only pair that I've been wearing every day. And I love them. Oh my gosh, so what do you think of this blush that I'm wearing today? You might not be able to see it because my ring light is so bright, but it's like the prettiest, like softest, like baby pink. So I actually ordered from this website called Stylevana, which sells a lot of Korean, Japanese, and different Asian brands of makeup. So these blushes, this is from EG Lips. So this is a shade number 2. And it's literally the most gorgeous like baby doll pink. And I mixed it with the shade number 1 just because I couldn't pick one. I love both. So this is the shade number 1. I'll hold them up next to each other so you can see. Number 1, number 2. Number 1 is more of like a purpley pink, and number 2 is more of like a pink. I plan to do a full Gyaru makeup tutorial using some of the makeup brands which I bought from Stylevana. So if you would like to see that cruelty-free and vegan Korean beauty, please stay tuned. So these lenses here, these are the EOS Candy Gray. They've got a really big limbal ring around, so you can see the really big black ring. They're so enlarging, they make my eyes look super cool. In the natural light. So these are actually a new style of lens that I've never tried before. They are pretty crystal gray. So my first sign, like putting them in my eyes, they feel really, sorry, I'm tearing up a little bit. I need a cotton bud. But yeah, they feel really comfortable in my eyes. These ones, I don't know if maybe they're not made of they feel like they're not made out of as thick material, so they feel really comfortable, like even blinking and things like that. But yeah, I'll do it in natural light. And then with fairy light. So these are some of my favorites. These are the EOS Ice Pink. Now I've got the EOS Ice Blue. So this pair here, this is my like 3rd or 4th time me purchasing them. These are one of my favorite like everyday lenses. They don't look like too full on Gyaru, but they're very subtle, like eye enlarging. So these are the Princess Pinky Sensual Blue, but they're very, very light. So they show up amazingly if you've got really dark brown eyes. Sometimes they're sold out, so I actually will get gray instead, but they look pretty similar. See, even, let me take this one out. And I'll put the gray in one eye. But yeah, I think the gray might even be a little bit lighter than the blue. So I've got the blue on this side and then the gray. So I'll switch out and I'll do them both. Here, I'll do natural light. And I'll put the other gray one in so we're matching. Yes, I just did that without a mirror. This is what it's like when you've worn contact lenses since you were 13 years old? 12 or 13. The more times that you practice putting them in, the easier that it gets. Which one do you guys prefer? Do you like the gray better or do you like the blue? I'm not sure which pair is my favorite. I like both. I think I'm leaning towards the gray. But I think with this outfit and this hair, because I've got the blue skirt on, I think the blue look nicer, but that might just be me. Then I've got no lenses. My eyes are naked. So the last pair here that I have, these are fun ones. So these lenses here are the Princess Pinky Lunar Earth Violet. These are really cool, but you can see how they've got a little spot, so I've tried to line them up so if you tap them and sort of pull them, you can change. The pink part is on top and then the purple part is on the bottom. I thought that looked cool because normally when there'll be shadow in your eyes, the darker color will be on the bottom and the lighter color will be on top. But yeah, I've got the little ball, like the little highlight on this side and then on this side. So inside, outside, so it looks like I'm like looking that direction, you know, anime girl style, the way the highlights, they both go that way, rather than if I would flip this, so the highlight is on the outside, they're both on the outside. Kind of looks like I'm cross-eyed, or people might notice, but the pink is on the bottom and then the pink is on the top in this eye, so depends what you prefer. If you like the pink on top or if you like the purple on top. I think I might have changed my mind. I think I might actually prefer the purple side more. So if we like spin this little guy around, even like if you've ever worn the like cat eye lenses for Halloween, you'll know what I mean. They always like flip around. Does that even do anything? Just gotta push it. There, so now we've got the purple on top. I like it. I like it. That's really cool. These are definitely a thicker lens though, and I can sort of see the colored part, like the middle of them might not be as big because I could see a little bit of pink in this eye. And it looks like they're on my eyes properly, but these contacts are really cool. I really love that through TikTok I've noticed that Gyaru fashion has been gaining such momentum amongst like younger generations as well. So I feel like Gal is getting popular again, and it just makes my heart so happy because Gyaru is something I really, really love and really, really care about. If you might not know, I'm actually a makeup artist and I write makeup tutorials for Papillon Magazine. So Papillon is a gal magazine which does interviews with Gyaru, with other fellow members of the Gyaru community that might be a bit like famous celebs and stuff, but also will post our own models, makeup, hairstyles, and lots of like outfit inspo, which may help you even if you're like a new gal starting out or someone who's been in the community for years and you just want some new inspo for outfits and things. But yeah, please check out Papillon Magazine if you haven't already. It's free to download and look at online. And if you would like to follow our Gyaru tribe, our Gyaru circle, gal circle, Cocohari Tribe. So it is Cocohari _tribe on Instagram. Yay! Thanks so much for watching my contact lens try on video. I hope that if you were curious or had any questions about like ordering these contact lenses, what they might actually look like on the eye versus natural light and then something like a ring light, if you're doing like TikTok videos or if you're an influencer, I use that term very loosely, like me. Yeah, I thought that this would help because sometimes in the product photos, some contact lenses on the website don't even have like product photos of what they look like in someone's eye. And then at photo shoots and stuff, sometimes it can be edited so it doesn't always look exactly the same way. So what I seem to stick with pretty much like the same brand of lenses that I know that work and like they post really good product photos. So like EOS, Geo, and even the like own Pinky Paradise home brand. I've had really good results with them and I'm going to continue to buy them because I really, really like them a lot. But yeah, if there's any questions, feel free to sound off in the comments below and I'll try to answer them the best of my abilities. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay gal!